I'll quickly tell what are the things we'll be doing as part of this 5 a.m. club, okay? So I'll be sharing 10 things with you on daily basis, and those 10 things I'll be sharing 21 things on those 10 topics, okay? That would be the routine. Apart from this, okay, we'll spend first 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of every day to tell out our goal, okay, to do visualization, to do affirmation, and to set up our vision board. We'll be doing all these four things, and with affirmation we'll be doing all these five things in these 5 days. And after these 5 days we will be practicing this daily routine from, say, Saturday. From Saturday we'll be practicing this daily routine. So in this way this will be helpful for us to actually achieve our goal and do what we want, okay? That we'll be able to do it within this a month. Once you are used to this, my humble request is kindly follow to wake up at 4, earlier, and practice this routine so that you achieve whatever you want on regular basis, okay? Great. To start with, I'll start with a quote, a lovely quote that has changed my life, and that has changed many people's life also. uh, if you desire something from the bottom of your heart, entire universe will conspire to make it happen to you. How many of you believe this and already tell this quote a lot?
Can you
If
please repeat? Sure.
if you desire something from the bottom of your heart, okay, entire universe will conspire to make it happen to you. This is one of the famous dialogue by Shah Rukh Khan. So maybe that is the way Sanjay sir would have known it, or maybe if he had read it. Say, you have to unmute. You have to unmute to tell.
Yeah. This would always send some I think a positive and a vibes to the universe.
Yes.
And I think this would also motivate us to be from working and towards that goal.
Very true. Very true. So not only to universe, but to also to us, it will send a positive energy.
Yeah.
When we think something from our heart, okay, we keep on thinking about that, and we'll see that the next moment it happens, okay, or we get to hear some news about it moment. How it happens, we never know. For instance, a simple example, okay, maybe we all say that Google is hearing us. Whenever we talk about some new thing to some of our friends, or if we try to search about it, the next time immediately we'll see in the Facebook that something related to that ad is getting popped up, and we are looking after that continuously, okay? This is from Google. But in reality, uh, we would have said many times, I already thought this will happen, and see, this has happened, okay? That is because we have thought that this should happen, and that is the reason this has happened. It's not coincidence, or it's not luck, or it's not any magic. It's all our thoughts. We have thought that this should happen, and that is only taking the actual form over there. So there's a book called as The Alchemist. How many of you have read that? Have you heard about that, The Alchemist?
Yeah.
Yes, great.
Heard about that. Yeah.
Lovely. So have you read that, Patu sir?
Most of them read பண்ணிருக்கேன். But just but
Okay. Sanjay, he doesn't understand Tamil, I guess. So that
oh,
is
okay.
the reason,
No, yeah. I don't understand Tamil.
yeah, that is
So
the
I have
reason.
read it 10-15 years before.
Oh, 10, 15 years before?
Yes.
That's really great. And do you remember the story, or do you remember the words of those books?
So
Anything?
it is about a boy who actually chased his dream. He was chasing his dream, the San Diego boy, outside world, but all these things is inner with him itself. So that is the core of that book actually. But I didn't remember the complete thing. But that's
True, true.
only.
Very well said, sir. The synopsis, very well said. He tries to find things in the outside world, but everything lies within himself. He is the one who can perform miracle, and even the treasure that he is searching over there is just at the backside of his house. Okay, so that is how the whole story would have been told. And this very thought, where I said that if you desire something from the bottom of your heart, entire universe will conspire to make it happen to you. So it's something like he is in search of gold. Okay, and he's search of treasure. So he keeps on finding that, and he meets with some or the other person who will take him towards that treasure, who will guide him towards that treasure. Okay, that's what will happen throughout the journey, and finally he gets his treasure at the back of his home itself. So this is the entire story. Definitely, I mean, I read this book in the March 2019, and after reading that book, I decided to quit my job and chase my dream of being a trainer. Okay, so from 2007, I have been wanting to become a trainer by seeing lots of people who have been inspiring on stage. But then I never knew what are the process or what are the steps to become a trainer. Suddenly, a message popped up in my mobile saying, I want to give my franchise to you. Okay, I'm looking for giving franchise of my training academy in Chennai. Will you be interested to take it up? I was like, from where did this message came? I mean, I know that person from Facebook. I've been following him in Facebook. Okay, he's a good trainer, fine. But then why did he message me and ask that will I be wanting to take his academy? So that was really a great coincidence, I would say. And it so happened that I also took the franchise, and within just 1 month I signed up the franchise. I resigned my job. I just came out of IT, and everything happened within just 1 month. All the shift happened. So it was just unbelievable for me that okay, something of that sort can happen. But then it is very true that when you desire from heart that you want to be, so it was in the year 2018-19 that the want to become trainer, it became more vigilant or more prevalent in me, and it took towards my goal. So this is one thing I would like to share. And likewise, if you also have any desire or any dream or anything that you want to pursue in your life, think about it a lot, read about it a lot, write about it a lot, and speak to others about it a lot. When you do this, definitely you will see that you are getting source and means of doing it from the universe. Like Patu sir said that he want to practice exercise. Okay, he want to keep himself fit. So he has told this to us today. Okay, tomorrow he might tell to some of his friend, and that friend might be a fitness freak who is practicing exercise in the morning. So he might motivate Patu sir, come on, let us do it together. Okay, something of that sort can happen. And Ajay, if you want to do something in your HR field, okay, keep discussing with your HR friends. Definitely, you'll have a community of friends who are HRs. So keep discussing with them about this, and definitely you'll see a change. And Sanjay, as he said, he wants to push himself. So that is why he is in this 5 a.m. club. So though we are in the same community and we know each other from some 3-4 months,
Yeah.
yes. But then maybe this is the time that he has to be in 5 a.m. club, and he has to really push himself. So I'm very happy for that. Great. So these are two things. Now, one NLP technique, okay, that I want to start today will be goal setting. Okay, and NLP says that we have to use all our words very cautiously. We have to be very specific to the point that we mention the date, time, and the goal that we want to achieve. If it is a monetary goal, we have to write in numbers what is the goal we want to achieve. If it is something related to health, then what exactly we want to achieve. There should not be any loophole that says something somewhere at some time. It shouldn't be like that. You have to be very specific on what you want to achieve, when you want to achieve. So can we all write this goal?
Yeah, I'll just get a pen.
Great. Please get a pen and paper if you don't have already. Okay, please get a pen and paper.
Yeah. What we would have to write, Yashok?
Yes, you have to write what is your goal.
Yeah,
What is your goal?
goal. Yeah,
What do you want to achieve? Let us keep it as a small goal which is achievable within 1 month,
okay.
and let us practice this to achieve this goal within this month. I mean, at the end of this month, by October 30th, what do you want to achieve in your life? We'll have one short term goal and one long term goal as well. Say it can be long term, can be 6 months or 1 year, which you can have a track and which you can see that you definitely do it. And I hope even Patu sir is writing his goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Once you are done writing, you can just tell what is your goal. One short term and one long term.
Yeah, my short-term goal
Yes, Sanjay.
is to start being happy and to spread happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. Spreading happiness means for the people who would come into contact with me, right? And then the long-term goal is to transform from myself at my from workplace in order to earn more and more.
Okay. Sir, I would say both the goals are not specific.
They are not specific.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
So
you
then
said,
how to? So
yes. Let
okay,
me
then
tell,
how to make them specific?
let me tell you. I want to make people happy.
Yeah.
Come in contact with me.
Yeah.
So this is like something I want to achieve. But my goal is I want to make 100 people happy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the end of this month, by October 30th.
Yeah.
Or before October 30th, I want to make 100 people happy. And when you said your long-term goal, you want to earn more and more. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that more and more?
Okay, that okay, figure has to be there.
I want you to write an exact figure.
Right.
I will have 10 lakhs in my hand by October 30, 2021.
Yeah.
that is going to be the exact figure.
Yeah.
I mean, I was just practicing this goal setting, and I could write that I want 73 lakhs by
Yeah.
October 2021. That was the goal that I had set. How I'll do it, I have a plan of franchise of two models. One is Posh and the other one is this 5 a.m. club, which I will be taking it forward within this year. Okay, I'll set up all the things required so that I'll be able to achieve that goal. I have written the clear pathway how I'm going to achieve and how I'm going to earn that number. Okay, when I say I'm going to earn that money, how many people are going to be my client, how many people are going to be my partners, I've worked out all my plan. I've written down in the paper, and I have to keep looking at every day. So when I keep looking at it every day, I constantly get reminded that yes, this is my goal. I have to achieve it. I have to have this number. And I keep on saying that definitely it will happen by the time I have wanted it to happen. So now, can I have your new revised goal, sir?
Yeah. To be happy and to transform at least about 15 lives. Okay, by the end of this month and October 2020.
Great, great, great.
Right.
So now this is more specific, right? So you
Yeah.
want to impact 15 lives.
Yes. Yes.
When
Impact.
you have, when you're told this, that 15 lives, so definitely you will be working towards getting those 15 people,
Yeah.
okay, and transforming their life or making them happy. So you will get
Yeah.
all the means to do it. Great. And
Yeah.
what's the long-term goal?
The long-term goal is I would like to have 50 lakh rupees in my of a bank account by October 2021.
Wonderful. So you said you want to have 50 lakhs by October 2021. So
Yeah.
this is a very specific goal. Okay. Uh, Fine. Let me hear from others as well, and then I'll tell you how to work towards it. Uh, yes. Ajay, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, go ahead.
Yashok, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Okay. My short-term goal is to get up by 5 a.m. consistently. That is first goal. And second goal is to empanel one client, our nation development client, by 31st October 2020. This is my short-term goal.
Mhm.
And long-term goal, I have not fixed any timeline to start a company and employ 250 plus people.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay, Pattu sir. Okay, I want you to tell that. Okay, you have written
Okay, got it.
the goal, but then I would like to hear from you. Uh,
Yeah, sure, sure.
yes, great. So Ajay, you are told that you want to wake up at 5 a.m. consistently. Fine. That's okay.
To
And
empanel one client, OD client, by 31st October 2020.
okay, to empanel one client, so one OD client. You're
Yes.
also very specific that you want to empanel only one client by 30 by October 30, 2020. Fine.
Yes.
So this is very specific, very good. That you have the number and the date as well. Now, your long-term goal was to have 250 people and start a company.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to start a company and employ more than 250 people.
So what company, exactly what will be that company?
Actually, that I need to fine tune. Right now, I'm thinking of food business, uh, and I also have an idea of looking at technology business. So either food or technology that or both food and technology. So
Okay.
that's what I
You,
have in
you'll
mind.
get that clarity as we go on in this 5 a.m. club. Okay. I
That's
also
great.
discussed on something, a book called as Ikigai. And that's a very lovely book to find out what your passion is. So I'll be
Okay.
discussing about that, and definitely you'll able to clear your doubt, your dilemma there. Great.
Okay. Okay.
But then you have to be specific what you have to start. 250 number is very good, but by when you want to achieve it, all these three should be in place. Only then you will achieve it. Otherwise, it will be just your wish. You will not be
Okay.
able to. I mean, you won't work for it until it is
Okay.
a standard thing. Great. Now, Patu sir, can you just tell your goal?
Okay, I would like to be an early riser by waking up every day by 5 a.m. and be healthy by exercising 30 minutes every day in the morning. And I would like to write a book and become an author by 2025. That is my long-term goal.
Super, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. You want to write your book. Okay, first, the short term goal is you'll wake up by 5 a.m. and do exercise for 30 minutes. Okay, so that is very specific. That's really great, sir. Uh, but you want to be, you will write your book. So, what will be your book? By
Okay.
2025 is okay, but then by which month? Which
Okay.
date in 2025, and what book are you going to write? How many pages will it have? Can you be
Okay.
that specific?
Okay.
Like kind of, I'm going to write 200 pages on the topic, say engineering,
Mm.
by October 2025, or I will publish my book. Rather
Okay.
writing, if you say I will publish my book on engineering, that will have 200 pages and it will be released in October 2025. If you can set that, then that is very specific goal. Can we have that from you?
Yeah, I would like to publish my 200-page book
See, I don't
in.
want you to repeat what I said. I said 200, just imagine
Okay, I
it.
got it. Got it. I
Yeah,
understood that.
yeah. So you should have it in you. I mean, when you are saying you want to write book, definitely you would have already thought what is the topic you want to write, and you already know how much can you write on that.
Mm.
Okay, so you have to tell me the exact number
Okay.
and the topic on which you're going to write.
Okay. But I don't have the specific things in the topic.
Okay,
The
okay,
topic I
okay,
have to
fine.
be.
Then we have to work on your goal as well.
Mm.
Fine. Now, just I'll be able to elaborate for Sanjay sir because he had given his specific long-term goal, and for the short-term goals, I can work with Ajay and Patu sir now. So yes, waking up early constantly, that we are definitely going to do by this 21 days, because you already paid for the program, and just because you have paid for the program, you will definitely wake up. And that happened with me. Okay, because I'm not an early riser, but just because I had paid for the program, I woke up 21 days for 21 days throughout the session. Okay, and I found it interesting, so I'm carrying it on. So definitely even you will do this. I'm sure you are going to do this, and definitely your short-term goal is resolved. I mean, it is solved. The purpose has been solved. And Sanjay sir, when you said that you want to impact 15 lives by October 2020,
Yeah.
okay, you have got 3 more weeks.
Yeah.
First week of October is already like gone. You have
Over.
got 3 more weeks. So if you divide 15 people into 3 weeks, so per week you have to get 5 people.
Yeah.
Yes, per week you have to get 5 people. So on an average per day you have to get one person. So
Yeah.
even if you miss 2 days in a week, so it's okay. You have to work on rest of the 5 days to get 5 people whom you will impact.
Yeah.
By this way you will be able to achieve your goal.
Yeah.
Yes, and you have to write down the sources from where you will get these 5 people,
Yeah.
and how exactly you will make them happy. Will
Yeah.
you be providing them with some free course, or will you be providing them with free books, or will you be providing them with some money, or What is it? By giving what you want to make them happy. Because the
Yeah.
term happy is very generic.
Yeah.
We can be happy by just listening our favorite song.
Yeah.
Yes. So we don't have a specific measure for happiness. So if you can be very specific, what do you want to do in terms of happiness?
Yeah.
Okay, for instance, I know a person who is a happiness coach.
Who is?
Happiness coach.
Okay, happiness coach. Yeah.
Okay, that's Mr. Murli Sundaram.
Hmm.
He's one of the leading trainers in India. So he calls himself as a happiness coach. And when you see his face, when you see him talking, when you see his smiling face, you also feel like smiling and you also get that happiness within you. So indirectly, he is just impacting people. Simple. That is one method by which he is impacting people, right? So likewise, when you want to make people happy, how do you want to exactly do it? Yes.
Yeah.
Great. So we are done with that. And now I would like to discuss about Posh and Foxo. Ajay already knows what is Posh. And Sanjay sir, are you aware? Sanjay and Patu sir, are you aware what is Posh?
Yeah, yeah, I'm aware.
Sanjay sir is aware. Patu sir,
This
what
is in a
about?
prevention of the sexual harassment at the workplace.
Yeah,
Yes, great. Patu
yeah,
sir,
mom.
you
Yeah,
are
I'm
also
aware of
aware.
that.
So do you have Posh committee in your office?
Yes, I have.
You have it. Lovely. So definitely you would have undergone lots of awareness program on this. So Posh Act as in was framed in 2013, and it was mandated that every company should form a redressal committee, okay, in order to hear to all the grievances related to sexual harassment and related issues. Okay, that is the main thing about Posh. And when we come to POXO, that is Prevention of Child Sexual Offence, this was legally introduced in the year 2012, and this is for any issues related to kid, to child. Okay, so when I say child, he should be within 18. Definition of a child. So some acts will say child should be within 14. A few acts says even adult who is I mean teenager who is not yet an adult. Okay, even he can be included in the child age group. So ideally we take in within 18 years, within 17 years in fact, whoever comes onto this act will be considered as a child. So after that, like from 18 years onwards, they will be considered under Posh. So this is the main difference between Posh and Foxo. Yes, one good habit that I would like to suggest to all is, how many of you write your diary already? What is you want to write a book and at
I'm
least.
not. I write my journal, but I'm not very frequent actually. Not every day I write.
Okay, great. So
Actually, I have lots of diaries I want to write, but I do not write consistently.
yeah, because even now I could see that you're having a diary and you're writing points in your diary only. Because I
Yes,
just
yes, yes,
saw the date there.
yes.
Okay, great. So when you have diary with you, when you have lots of diaries with you, then why are you keeping it to sleep? Okay. So writing can do wonders. Okay. I mean one simple. Okay, I want to hear from Patu sir because he want to become an author. So he is the best person to tell what can writing do to your life.
It actually what I felt is like everything you can remember in your head actually. So what happens every day if I come across some thought process, I just write it down and keep it myself. But it is not kind of a continuous thing. It happens in an ad hoc manner. But I have to do it in a regular way and should be a kind of a structure so that I write it in a consistent way.
Wonderful.
And but it helps me to remember things. So anyway, I can go back and read my journal and then see, okay, yeah, I have done something in that so and so date or so and so day time. It helps me actually to remember things actually.
Lovely, lovely. So, Sanjay sir, do you write?
No, no, no.
Okay,
I would be
great.
in this habit of writing.
Okay, so please,
But as of now, no.
yes. So these 21 days, I want everybody to write one takeaway from this program. Okay, just start with that. You need not write anything extra. If you feel like you can write extra things, but then please start writing one takeaway, okay, from this program. That can be a good starter. And if you want to write more, you can also write what is one good thing that happened to you in your life today. Okay, so maybe before going to sleep, you can just write down this thing and go to sleep. Or when you wake up early in the morning, you can just think all the things that happened yesterday and what was one best thing that happened to me yesterday. Okay, even that you can write. And at the end of 21 days, when you just look back your diary, you'll feel very happy to have those memorable content with you. Okay, I have had so many good things in my life. And whenever you feel depressed, whenever you feel like going down, just take your diary and look back. Okay, so many good things have happened. Or one life. So Sanjay sir, when you say that you want to make people happy, so whenever you impact one life, you just write down, I impacted this life today.
Yeah.
Okay, and just describe about it. So at the end, when you reach to the 15th page and when you are writing about the 15%, you will feel at the top of your world. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. So writing definitely has got that power. And when we have correct style of writing, okay, that is one therapy that I'm going to tell today. When you have a correct style of writing, then definitely you can change your life, the fate of your life, with correct writing. Okay, this is called as graphology. So in terms of therapy, I'll be talking about various forms of inner wellness or various therapies that are used to heal our inner self. Okay, this is what I'm going to talk. So as all of you have paper and pen with you, can you take one fresh page, okay, and draw a face of a child. Sanjay sir, you're done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Can you show the diagram that you've drawn?
I am very, very bad at my drawing, but I can at least show you. Yeah.
Okay. Lovely. Great, sir. Great. I'll tell the inference after seeing other two diagrams as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Great. Pattu sir, your diagram.
1 second, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay. Meanwhile, question to you, Ajay. Are you?
Yes, yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. Can you show your drawing once again? Okay. Were you thin as a child?
Yes, I was thin as a child.
Okay.
Now I
Great.
have become fat.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Actually, when I
And
was a kid, my mother used to call me skeleton.
yeah, see, but nobody will believe it now. Okay, when
Right,
they see
that's
you
right.
that you were like that. Okay, but your
Yes.
drawing says so. Great. Um, and are you like kind of stringent and like into more like I want to save money, I want to save money? Is that
Uh,
something that is bothering you?
Probably I was in that mode a while back, but now I've changed myself. I wanted to spend more, and I want to live a happy life. So
From
the
when
one
did you
thing,
change this idea?
I think after my marriage, I think 5 years back. Before that, I was a bit stingent. But now, what I feel is I do not have good financial control. So that discipline I need to bring in. So I've gone to that mode. I don't know whether it is.
When
I'm.
you again want to have a financial control, okay, and when you're disciplining yourself in those terms, so definitely you are again back to like saving money and those plans, right?
Right, 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 right.
So that is something very evident from your picture.
Okay.
Great. Photo sir, can I see your drawing?
I couldn't draw anything actually. Technically, okay, let me draw something.
Just a face.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
it's going to be a round face with two dots, one single nose, and just a mouth, a smiley face. Yes, Sanjay sir, you can show your drawing.
I just showed you.
No,
Okay,
no,
I will show you.
no, no. I
Yeah,
just want Patu to see
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So for that reason, I'm just saying. See how simple it was. How simple it is. Actually, not it was. It is.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, Sanjay sir, why you fat when you are a child?
I had no, meaning do not exercise.
Do not exercise. But very bubbly.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
But now you have like gone down in your health, I'd say.
Yeah, yeah, somewhat yes, somewhat yes. But
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Patu sir, can I have your drawing? Because like if I infer something,
I will see.
okay, fine, great. Okay, yeah, thank you. So all the three of you are having very smiley face in your diagram, right? And for Sanjay sir, it's very, very evident, widely smiling. That is why he has a goal that he wants to make people around him happy.
Yeah.
That's very evident in him. And Ajay is like, should I smile or not? He is just like thinking he's in that dilemma. And Patu sir is confused. Am I really smiling? He has just his tongue out in his drawing. So that says that how is your inner child? How was your inner child? Okay. So Sanjay sir, definitely your childhood was very happier. And
Yeah.
you are very happy in as your child. You don't have any complaints with your childhood at all. Yes. That is
Yeah, yeah,
very
definitely.
that is very, very evident in his drawing. And for Pattu sir and Ajay sir, you have drawn it so small and at some corner of the page. I just wanted you to take a fresh page and draw the
Hmm.
drawing. Okay, you could have drawn it bigger as well.
Okay.
Okay, or you could have utilized the entire page, entire space.
This is
Okay, but you chose to have it at some corner with a tiny face. Again, did you face some hardship in your childhood?
yeah, because I have a back pain from my childhood, so that is very difficult for me actually to handle. So that is the reason. Okay. So
Then I
other than that,
seriously just that you should take up some yoga classes because that will instantly heal your back pain. Practice yoga asanas for 30 days and definitely will change in your life. I practiced that.
come on.
I practiced it for around 45 days. and definitely it helped me to heal my back pain. So definitely you will have some yoga instructor in your circle. Just check out for that and enroll in the classes immediately. That can be a
Sure.
solution. So yes, Ajay, I want to hear from you. Did you have any
Yeah.
experience in your childhood?
Yes, yes, sure. Actually, I'm the first kid of my family. I have one brother.
Okay.
So, what thought I have as a first child is being a first child is like being a, uh, test rat. Whatever life throws against you, you experience everything and you clear the path for the second kid to travel smoothly. That's what the common take I have that life has taught me till now. So when I take one paper and write, I used to optimize it. I ensure that I do not waste any space. If I write a column with 10 points, then I used to draw a line near to it, and the space in the right side I used to take notes for any other thing. It has become a habit for me.
I
So
was
when
like
you
that.
do,
I was like that. So I can resonate it with you. I'm also first
okay,
kid in my family. I can
okay,
resonate
okay.
it with you. Hmm.
Okay, the thing is, when you asked me to draw a picture, I was thinking whether to draw the picture
In the
in
same
my
page,
notes
right?
in the
The
same
same
page
page.
itself, or I need to take a fresh page. You said specifically you asked me to draw in a fresh page. I thought if you ask me to show the picture, if I show it below, drawn below the notes, then it will not look nice. No. So for that, I drew it in a corner, ensure that I will use the other space to write anything. So, what
See,
made
so
me
that
to
is
do
the
like
strength.
this?
Hmm.
Yeah, what made me to do like this is whatever resources I got when you linked it with my childhood. I am just thinking whatever resources I got, I was completely optimized. It was I need to utilize to the full extent. I do not use it anything to 70% or 80%. I throw it away. I used to use it 100% and have it for a while and then throw it away. This is what my life till now. So
Actually, I would say as a practice, it is very good that you are optimizing any resource to the 100%.
okay,
But when it comes to writing and when you are like trying to make so much of writing in one page itself, it would mean that you are trying to narrow down yourself or you are trying to close yourself within a circle. Okay, you're like going like a horse in the same direction.
okay,
Only when you open your perspective, only when you are free with your writing, or when you are like free with your space, that is when you will be open minded and you will attract lots of new things. Okay, so it's okay to be to use things effectively. That's definitely a good practice. But then while writing, try to be more liberal. You have lots of diaries with you, don't worry. Pages will not run anywhere. Okay, you'll have lots and lots of diaries with you. So be liberal while writing. Okay, that is only one suggestion from graphology part of it. I love it. Great. Wonderful. So now, having said this, I'll move to one digital asset that all of us must possess. Okay. Sanjay sir is already a trainer, so he should already be having it. So do you have a website of your own?
No, I don't have it.
Why don't you have it? What is stopping you from having one?
Uh, I have not explored it yet.
Okay. So how
So
will
that
people
idea has still not come in my mind.
okay. So how will people come to know that you are a trainer?
Yeah, that's the point which I.
And
It is through my LinkedIn profile and through the various contacts that I have.
okay. So you're just
That's
reaching
it.
out through your contacts and this. Okay. I'll tell you the first thing I when I realized the importance of website. Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever I was launching my training, I'd say I'm a posh trainer. Whenever I'll advertise this, people will come and ask me, can you show me your website? Do you have your website? I was like, what are you going to do with the website? It's just a one pager where I write everything about me and then you go and see. So what is the big deal about it? Okay. So even now I'm giving you my profile. Even there I've written everything about me and I'm telling you who I am. You're seeing me in all the social media. And why do you need my website?
Yeah.
But then a friend of mine, she's also an entrepreneur, and she told me that website adds a lot of credibility to your work. Okay, so when you have something in website, so definitely like only authenticated people will have website. Only your
That's
credible works are going to be in website. You cannot fake yourself in website. Yes, we fake ourselves in social media a lot. There are people who fake themselves. But in website, people will not fake because that is some identity which is given to everybody, right? So quickly, I'll just share the screen and I'll show my website. Okay, so is this screen visible to all of you?
yeah.
Yes. So this is the website that I had got done for my institute, called as First Up Institute. And okay, it just I had to buy a domain, my website name from GoDaddy. I had to buy a hosting. Okay, I mean hosting is also available in GoDaddy. You can just have a look at it. I'm specifying GoDaddy because that is one of the famous site and that is easy to work with. You can explore various sites for yourself. And Ajay, when you say that you want to have your own company, so definitely you will have to have a website in future. With,
Yasho, I already have a website, Yasho, on
okay,
my
great.
name,
Okay,
ajaykarthik.in. I have my personal portfolio updated.
okay. You have your personal portfolio updated. Very, very great, Ajay. And since you are already an HR, yes, you have done that. Very lovely. So definitely, when you are starting your company, you'll have your company related profile in that website. And Patu sir, since you're going to be an author, even you can think of your personal profile as an one-page website.
Okay.
Okay, because that will add more credibility to you again, and that will showcase yourself as an author to people. That's the one digital asset everybody should possess. And work from home options, which I'm going to tell is again around website building, web designers. So this COVID has got so many web designers from nook and corner of the world. Okay, we can say see everybody offering something on web designing. I could see a course that was offered on web designing at 399. They're offer they'll tell you how to design your own website, how to uh, bring out your own web page just for 399 and some 3 hours or 4 hours of training. Lots of things are happening around this web designing, and I was charged 5,500 rupees, including designing my web page and hosting for 1 year. Okay, so from one client, you get this money, and I provided my own content. I provided my own content. So their job was very easy, just to design it and buy a hosting, and for that, they'll get 5,000 rupees. Maybe maximum, if they would have worked some 2 to 3 hours for this, maximum that is the effort they would have put, but within 3 to 4 hours they were able to earn 5,000 rupees from one client. So that is the beauty of and they sit from their home, They sit at their homes comfortably and work. They don't go outside for getting their clients. Just mark it in some place and you just get it. That's it. That is a beauty. Okay. So, how many of you have read or seen any series on Mahabharata on Ramayana?
Yes, I have seen that. Yeah, Mahabharat and also Ramayana.
Yes, great. What
Yes,
about
both
others?
I've seen. Yeah, both I've seen.
As a child, we
I,
used
I,
to read
I, I think I've seen Doordarshan.
in Doordarshan, yes. So
Yes.
Doordarshan was a very good caretaker for all these regional religious things, I would say. Great. So one thing, one kind of, it can be a management lesson also from those epics. I'll take Mahabharata today. We need to have one mentor in our life in various arena. So when we say for business, for relationship, for spirituality, we have to have various mentors who can lead ourselves in our life. Okay. For instance, Pandavas had Sri Krishna as their mentor, and Lord Krishna was an all-rounder. So definitely they had one mentor in all the domains. But in today's world, we cannot have an all-rounder who can be a mentor in all the spaces. So look for a mentor in your life who can be your business mentor, who can be your relationship mentor, and if you want to focus on any other arenas, please decide who is going to be your mentor. This mentor should be someone who's already excelled in that particular field and who's ready to guide you. Okay. Don't have it someone from your close family circle. So look out for somebody else. It can be your distant relative, or it can be any of your friends, or it can be any of your network person who is an excel in that field. Okay. Definitely that will help you because we can't share everything with our family, right? If we are going through any crisis in our job, we cannot immediately share with our family, because even we'll be worried that even they will be tensed and they'll be worried. Why to put that mental pressure on them? But instead, if we have some mentors who have already excelled in that particular field, and we go and talk about our issue to them, they'll give us an instant solution. Oh, this is the case, then do this. I have done this in my life, and even you will be able to do it. Now, when Sanjay sir says that he wants to make people happy, his childhood was happier, and he is a happy person. His inner child is happier. So when he is taking up this profession or this role, definitely he will be able to do 100% justice to it. But the same role, if any of you two, if you had told that Ajay or Pattu sir, you are told that I want to take it up, definitely I will suggest, please don't do it, because your inner child is not happier. And you won't be able to do 100% justice to it. Okay. So what suits our us? What suits our image? If that becomes our profession, then our life can be changed entirely, and we can do a great wonder. So that I'll discuss in coming days. So thank you very much for being in this session for 1 hour. So we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks all. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Suday.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.